Welcome once again.
Are you ready to learn something fun today? Today we are going to learn about pronouns.
A pronoun is a word which replaces noun. Let's understand with an example. Yuvansh is playing. Yuvansh is happy. Now we will use pronoun in second line. Yuvansh is playing. He is happy. We use he in place of noun, so he is the pronoun here.
Now learn these common pronouns we use.
I,
You,
he, she, it, we, they.
I मतलब मैं, you मतलब तुम या आप, he मतलब वे for boys, she मतलब वे for girls, it मतलब ये या वे for things or animals, they मतलब वे for more than one.
Let's repeat these common pronouns again. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
To understand better, let's see this quiz. See the screen and fill in the blanks. Answer is she. Ria is dancing. She is happy. We use she because Ria is a girl. Now see this and answer. Rahul is a boy, so we will use he as a pronoun. He is the correct answer.
Today we learned pronouns. In next video, we will learn about adjectives. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep learning. Take care.